What's up guys, I am Demmy and you're watching a Demmy art tutorial. So today we'll be doing something different. To start with, the name of this software is Adobe Photoshop for those that don't know. This is basically used to create beautiful arts, also from editing for those of you out there that have been interested in digital art for a while. So still stay tuned to this channel, I'll still be bringing you interesting and quality content. In this video, we are going to look at layers in Photoshop. We will do some adjustments to our image all on different layers, so I can show you the different effects and really get to understanding how these layers work. So let's start. I'll go to File and go to Open here. Then I'll choose any image I would like to use for this video. I'll choose this one, thanks to Unsplash. Let's open it up. The first thing to do is to make sure you can see your layers panel. Here is mine. If you can't see it, just go to Windows and just make sure the tick is on layers. Down here, I've got only one layer, which is my background layer. By default, when you open up a JPEG, you'll be given the layer and word background and it will be locked. So now we'll right click on the layer and click on duplicate layer. We're going to give it a name. I'll name mine Auto Tone, then click OK. Now if you see, I've got two layers. Nothing in this picture has actually changed. I've got Auto Tone and background. So we'll select Auto Tone. It will have this light gray color. We'll go up to the image and choose Auto Tone. If you look properly, something changed. Pretty cool, right? This is an automatic feature. What Auto Tone is doing is that it's looking at the highlights, the midtones and the shadows and trying to find a better than the original we had. Over here on our layer panel, it's a little hard to see, but the thumbnails are slightly different. So if you click this eyeball right here, the Auto Tone layer would go off and we'll just be seeing the background layer or the ordinary picture, the original picture. So the background is still here, he is still protected and not being wrecked, so you can just turn this on and off to compare the two. Let's do another automatic feature. So we'll turn Auto Tone off and let's select the background layer, right click again and duplicate layer. I'll name this one Auto Contrast. So click OK. Then select the layer, go to image and select Auto Contrast. There's a change also. Let's compare it to Auto Tone. So on off, on off, on off. Any of this can work for you, but I like Auto Contrast better. So let's turn the two eyes off on the two and look at the last of these automatic features. So right click on the background, go to duplicate layer, we'll call it Auto Color and let's click OK. So go to image, let's select this one. If I want to compare these two, I'll just turn this one off in the middle. You just have to play around with them to know the one you would prefer. Let's say we don't like Auto Color, we want to remove it. All we have to do is just select it, click the trash here, and it's gone. Now let's say we want Auto Tone underneath Auto Contrast. So just click and hold and drag Auto Tone. You see the little blue line? It shows where it's going to go. So I would just like you to play around and see the one that works for you. The last thing we have to do is to save. Remember, it was a JPEG when we opened it. Now if we go to save, it's going to say save as PSD because JPEG can't have more than one layer. It can have only one. That is the background. So click save. This little Photoshop format option opens up every single time and it just simply means if we save it as a PSD, Photoshop is saying should we save it as a maximum compatibility version, which means it's more likely to open up in older versions of Photoshop. So to finish up, let's go to File and Close. To get better at this, just practice. Thanks for watching this video. If you loved it, just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more Photoshop tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember to leave your comments in the comment section below, and also follow me on Instagram at @thereal_Demmy. Tag me in your photos so I can see your art too. Bye guys.